Vancouver day 2!
Yay! Hi!
Ready to hit the town.
We need you guys, I think I'm actually getting like pink eye as we speak. I have to take these like lashes off. Please do. Roommate. Lunchy break!
Welcome to Canada. Hello, Carbon City.
Hello. Wait,
Tell everyone about this new hat.
This is a hat I have yet to wear, but since I'm a hat person in Canada, it felt like the perfect time.
I think you should be a hat person in other places.
Not
Coachella,
sure.
maybe?
Oh, Coachella is a great place for hats.
I need a Coachella specific hat though. Nothing in my collection will do.
Gladly, I would help you with that.
I'm not allowed to have hats in my house. Matt doesn't like me in hats.
Look at we're like matching.
This is the hat we bought on Lunchy break.
So cute.
Thank God we bought it, because otherwise I don't know that I'd have a hat. Feel very Christmassy, you know? I'm still hanging on.
I just love that the lights are everywhere all the time.
Do they ever take the lights down
We
in
were
Vancouver?
talking about it last night.
They have Christmas lights everywhere. We hope it's just like year round, but
Yeah.
I think it's just like the way Vancouver is, or it's the way right after Christmas is.
But I have a feeling it's the end of January.
Well, that's a real misstep, because it's really attracting a lot of people here, and they don't want to leave when they get here. So
By a lot of people, she means us.
there's 4 of us. That's a lot.
If they did open year round, we would not appreciate them as much as we do currently.
Shut your mouth. That is not true.
I would appreciate these lights all the time.
Your apartment is actually covered in lights,
Yeah.
Will, and it feels
And
very
I
warm
appreciate
and
it all. Woomy.
It feels very woomy.
Woomy.
Christmas like you're in a womb.
They're twinkle lights. They weren't categorized as Christmas lights, and they're from Urban Outfitters. So
twinkle lights?
Everywhere.
yeah, literally
They're
everywhere.
everywhere.
On that shelf, that tall shelf, kind of everywhere.
The ladder.
Yeah, the ladder.
On our TV. I say lights year round.
I agree. I think we should make this a law.
I
Vote below.
have string lights on my patio that I keep up.
Inside your house.
Well-
Erin loves lights so much, I challenge her to cover her house.
Jocelyn, I will. You give me the budget. Lights are not cheap. Okay. I will string my
We're
house.
investing in happiness.
My house will glow. It will set Los Angeles ablaze. Light, not fire.
Okay, yeah, too soon. Just adding to our tomato soup narrative.
And my
Smell it
Brussels
from
sprouts.
here. Erin, why didn't you get any?
I'll try yours and see if it's good.
Yeah, it's real hot. Can you see the steam?
steam is like-
What you got over there?
Just continuing my Brussels sprouts tour of the world. These have like little chives in there,
cheese.
Parmesan. Supposedly there's bacon, but I haven't. Oh, I see maybe a shard of bacon.
Oh, Erin likes it.
Very tender.
It's very interesting with the onion. Well, do you want to try?
No, not even a little bit. It's gonna wait for my soup to cool down.
These fries are triple fried, which I didn't even know was.
I don't know.
Like, look at everything in Canada has bacon. I'm so into it. It's like a little meat candy, you know?
This is like a whole mussels situation.
Ooh, try one.
So you take this, and then you just dispose of it in the bowl. Get a little juice.
Saucy.
Sun-dried tomato.
You should use
part of the broth.
It's my plain fried chicken. Okay, guys, where to?
We are going to walk down to the water's edge. I walked there this morning. It's like effing beautiful.
So we've been walking for like a mile.
I've hit 10,000 steps.
Her Fitbit is thrilled. It was worth it because look at this. You're right, Mom.
You know it's a harbor of some sort.
Vancouver Harbor. I looked at Google Maps.
What does that mean?
Someone.
What ocean? What river?
We're close to, the Pacific Ocean.
Whatever, it's pretty. Why do we need to know
I
what
don't
it is?
even know what-
What's that giant blue thing?
It's a knitting needle. It's indigenous to this part of Canada. Knitting.
It's a Q-tip.
Or a large drop of water. It does rain here pretty frequently. It's a water.
Oh, it could be a raindrop, actually.
Maybe it's that thing they use to clean out babies' noses when they come out.
That's
Those little
definitely.
suction things.
Okay, we're having a very intense discussion right now about
yesterday-
bears and hibernating.
So yesterday we're in our cabin, we're coming back, and I was like, are there any wild animals?
And he
The
laughed
cab
at her.
driver, and I was like, what about bears? He's like, oh yeah, we have bears.
like,
I'm
"Oh, yeah, yeah." He's like,
"Duh,
"Oh, bears."
that's an animal. And he's like, but they're sleeping right now. And I was like, holy crap, that's true?
It led to a conversation
It's
about
like Rip Van
is,
Winkle.
is hibernating like they're sleeping the whole time, or do
And
they
where
wake
are
up
they
and
at?
Aaron
Are
just
they
chimes in?
Okay, I believe, I don't know if this is true, but I really believe now that I think
believe
through it,
it.
I believe that bears wake up just for snacks.
She's reading
But
it
she
on
said
her
it's
phone.
snack.
Because everybody wakes up for snacks. I mean, why would a big old bear not wake up for snacks? Hi guys. Do
Just
bears wake
bears.
up from hibernation? Anybody? Well, thank God we have Google.
Can't bring her anywhere.
Hibernation for bears simply means they do not need to eat or drink and rarely urinate or defecate.
That was my other question is like, do they not
No.
wake up to poop?
No. But bears do wake up, however, and move around inside the den. So I'm sure they're snacking.
How are there
seems
so
like a
many
really
dens?
nice area.
This makes no sense.
I don't know. Leave your thoughts on this bear debacle
I
in
would
the
love to
comments
come
below.
across.
Put your neck strap on,
Oh,
Lily.
I'm sorry. I forgot, Mom.
I mean, this little hair piece in front.
Yeah, I want to see your eyes because they really tell the story.
You're gonna get a Marc Jacobs brand deal. I need to see that you're a fan.
Oh, hold the glasses. Yeah, like it's very casual. Are you taking a photo?
No, I've been videoing.
How do we have this
was captured. You guys, they make this look very easy in their Instagram post. I can tell you firsthand, it is not.
I would just hold them like this.
Just like
I was
this.
just waiting for you to fall back in.
Truly, like that's what we need.
How's your first time at Tim Hortons?
I love. But they said it's honey dip, so I felt like, oh, this is healthier than a donut hole. It's a donut hole.
Why would you think that honey dip's been healthy?
We made it back after a full day of walking.
Well, trying to teach myself how to make designs in coffee.
It's not going
So
well.
far, I've made a smiley face. See it right there? There's a smiley face.
Yes, totally a smiley face.
It's like when you try to see Jesus in toast. Very similar.
How you doing over there?
Mine's just black, like my soul.
Dark.
Are these leggy? These are soft jeans.
I thought you were gonna do this, and then instead you just were like petting me.
Pants are really soft.
I just ordered some more balls, obviously.
Honestly, I'm not a huge meatball person, but there's something like more moist about these pork balls.
Jocelyn, do you remember when we were on The Amazing Race and we made up a song about balls that they cut? We sang a song about balls.
Shocking they wouldn't include a song about balls on The Amazing Race.
Let's hear a few bars of our theme song entitled Balls. Aaron and Jocelyn are on The Amazing Race. Don't get it twisted.
We've
'cause
got
they're gonna
balls
be up
for
in
days.
your face. Balls, balls. That's just the chorus. It's like the bridge. Balls.
Who cares about Justin Bieber when we can make our own hits entitled Balls?
The remix is really gonna hit big on the EDM circuit.
Really hope you all enjoyed that a lot.
They did. I know they did.
We're gonna call it quits for today. Now that we've touched on all the important things like the ball song. See you tomorrow. Bye.
I feel like this always happens that I'm like, oh, the vlog's over, and then we're like, huh, never mind. Plot twist. Les dropped a bunch of stuff. It smells so good. We have like 2 hours before we're going to a dinner, and I'm going to take a bath. I'm so excited.
Move yourself.
There's so many things in here.
Blush is so sweet.
Okay, that's all. Bye.
Tomorrow for sure.
Guess where we are?
Sorry, I was gonna show them. It just took me a second. We're at Lush, and we have our own personalized uniform.
We made it. They actually let us in the door. We didn't even have to sneak in. And there's a sign by the front door that says "Welcome, Clevver," and it's even spelled wrong, like the way we spell it.
Someone corrected her
You
while
mean
she was
spelled
doing it.
right. I spelled it right.
Yes, this is Kat. She's the best. Say hello.
Is that always
She's
your
not an
sign?
actual cat.
I developed it in university.
University.
Swear.
She
In
also went to
university.
Arizona State, you guys.
And they have mutual friends. What a small world.
And also, it's Kat's birthday today.
And she's spending it with us. And she let us make a bath bomb that we can all take a bath together with.
We already filmed one episode. We're gonna film another. Look at, we made this.
We made that with our own hands. We actually came together to create it as one unit.
Yeah, well, we didn't make it that well.
Vaughn said we nailed it.
I think Vaughn was being nice.
Yeah, some of them came out, but I think we're good. I'm so worn out.
Perfect giant roll pasta.
But if you want to see us make those, you have to go watch The Beauty Trippin' because it's probably better than you think.
Won't be up now.
I'm just advertising our own show and our other own show.
It's not gonna be up when this goes up. This is
it
the
will
second
be coming.
episode, so it'll go up in 2 weeks.
That involves a calendar.
Very possibly the episode could be up now.
So you should subscribe and hit the bell to make sure you get the notification when the videos come out.
Tell them to
Go watch it. It's live right now. Yes, we have to wear these little protective shoesies, but these two wore heels because they're
I
done.
didn't wear socks with my heels either, which is.
So that's why this is happening.
I borrowed Cat's shoes.
Show it rotate so we can
But
see
I
the tissue
stuffed them with tissue, and then now I'm thinking about it. Now they're moist and wet, and I feel like they're falling apart. Trying to explain something back there who was like
Looking at me, and he was
That's
like,
because you're pretty.
Oh, it's fine. Just our vlog show. This isn't. Don't.
She doesn't want her boss to see this and be like, told you about the Groupon boxes.
I think the biggest highlight is that we have our own.
I mean, we have our own shirts, our own shoes.
The jump outlet. Look at her. Is that your power stance?
Yeah, it really is. I don't know that I have anything that's personalized.
Well, I mean, that's not usually a huge trend
my
to have your
stand.
name all over
Oh, I
your
used
clothes.
to have my name on my LLB backpack. I used to have them on my underwear.
Okay.
Did you not?
No.
Loser.
No.
My name's so weird that like you have to
No,
pay so
mine
much
too.
extra.
That's true.
Lily is a very trendy name now, but it was not 15 years ago.
Aaron's Irish, and that thing has been around for a long time.
Rosalind does not exist anywhere. My mom got me a rubber stamp for my birthday one year that she had to order, probably like via calling in somewhere because the internet didn't exist. Remember that?
How custom.
Or send
Catalog.
away.
Oh,
Catalogs where you would fill it
My
out.
sister always used to order from Delius.
Delia's was
Oh, I love Delia's. That's what
Valid,
rich people did.
6 hours later.
Bye, Lush.
That was fun.
I love them. I want to actually be friends with like all the people that
work there.
It was really sad to say goodbye.
I feel like we meet a lot of awesome people on the show, seriously, or all of our shows, but they were like homies. We all need to go take like a 40-hour bath.
We have way too many bath bombs. We're never gonna be able to get on the plane. All our bags are gonna weigh too much.
Well, I'm planning on taking at least 2 baths tonight.
We're sure together.
I thought that was a joke.
Made it back to our new favorite place.
This place is called the Flying Pig.
It's super close to our hotel, and we're gonna get poutine because we haven't done that while we were here, and it seems really important.
Not just any poutine. Pulled pork poutine. I'm from North Carolina, and we do pulled pork right, okay? My pulled pork standards are set real high. Now, I know Canada likes pigs, and I like that about Canada, so I'm expecting good things, but pulled pork poutine, that's real up there on the list. You better nail it, that's all I'm trying to say.
Southern accent comes out when talking about pulled pork. From your
Pulled
soul.
pork barbecue, I know about pulled pork barbecue.
But this isn't barbecue, to be clear.
We don't know. We don't know. Could be.
The poutine has arrived.
Wow, 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 wow.
That's a lot. Jill had a big
Barbecue. When you say pulled pork, you think barbecue.
And this over here, truffle, it's mad cheese.
That's intense.
I mean,
I'm gonna get in on this poutine right now.
What's the review? Give it in the accent or it doesn't count.
It's good. I get an earned stamp of approval on this.
She goes in for the poutine.
Sorry, I gotta make room.
In for the poon.
It's not what food
So take a bite of that poon.
Stop, that's like saying panties. That's really, really good.
Would you pick the mac and cheese or the poutine?
That's not right. That's like picking children when you have twins.
Wouldn't it be like ever?
The food has arrived. This looks so gourmet.
bring on the Brussels. The tour of the world continues.
2 batches this time, just in case. This is like a seafood risotto situation.
Lily, I do want to point out that this is a very adult meal for you.
It's chicken and mashed potatoes.
We did not eat our Brussels sprouts. It's a sad misfortune, but you know what? Just like Lemony Snicket's, we're gonna make a good situation out of a bad situation. And we've ordered 3 desserts.
Jill was a little against it, but we were like,
There's 4 of us.
If I have a brain, it's dessert, so don't you dare say I'm against it.
You were though, you were fighting it.
I got nervous all of a sudden. We'll report back when the desserts arrive.
I was gonna tell, but I'm laughing.
Okay, so Jill stepped out to take a call, so we thought this is the prime opportunity for us to order a 4th dessert. So we ordered a 4th dessert. She's gonna come back and she's gonna be so mad at us for breaking the budget.
The thing is, here in Canada, our American money is worth more, so it's like
Helping the economy.
Also, do you think I could fit these in my?
no, stop it.
I can put them in mine. I can take them.
I also like this piece of wood.
You should take that.
I can't talk about petty theft because it's getting too out of control.
Becoming too real.
The Knickerbocker in New York won't have me back. Just kidding, I made that up. That terrarium was a gift.
So the lemon tart hasn't come yet because we ordered it later. But the other ones have.
This is the size of my head, and that is saying something, you guys.
You do have a big neck.
I have the biggest head of the group. This is like the size of my butt.
And the creme brulee didn't come alone, it brought a friend, it brought a cook. And also, we're still waiting on one more dessert.
Jill is not here yet.
She still does not know about the lemon tart.
Jocelyn doesn't even eat dessert.
I don't really like desserts, but this is a fun, story.
I don't even like bread pudding.
Wait, that's bread pudding? I thought it was a brownie. That's why it's so thick. Is that good? Oh my gosh, earring.
Yes, everyone should try it.
I want to eat the creme brulee.
The custard. Go ahead, Misty.
How
the cat.
dare you.
Misty the cat. Let's see.
I think we should have her put the lemon tart right next to Jill. And just be like, you ordered the lemon tart.
A few moments later.
Not big enough. What's going on?
Do you think we ordered enough dessert? Do you think we should order
There's a lot happening here.
more?
Here's your lemon tart.
Is this a prank? Pretty pathetic that something as simple as a lemon tart would bring us so much joy. Nothing has made me this happy in so long. I'm so happy. So this is an encouragement to all of you. Share a lemon tart with a friend this holiday season. Wait, it's not the holidays anymore.
I knew you wanted it.
I might venture to say too much. I don't know if I ever have on a dessert table.
How is it?
I haven't tried anything yet. I have so much catching up to do.
I love the cake, the bread pudding, and whatever's happening
The
over
creme
here.
brulee. How dare you? You know Lily likes likes this, it's pudding.
I know, Misty the cat.
And people are staring.
Jill, this one creme brulee, which is $8 Canadian, $6 American, is so worth the joy.
Isn't it so good?
I'm so happy right now.
Jill, what's your recommendation?
Okay.
What's your favorite?
Tried all 4 in the 40 seconds I've been here. I like this.
Yeah.
Oh, the bread pud.
It like what even
It's not, it's brownie bread pudding.
I feel like now is a good time for me to just let people have their time with the desserts and just like some privacy, please.
Good morning. I look delightful. Jocelyn's eating a smoothie of some kind.
My smoothie has a lot of like, I don't know, hard balls in it. Again, these are this trip.
I looked over and she just pulled out.
There's like a big frozen banana ball. Yum!
Banana ball.
Also, shout out to the Opus Hotel. We love you guys. This has been a nice place to stay. Now we're just looking at photos of ourselves like the true douchebags we are.
Mom, are you ready to leave? I'm not ready to go. Jill was just handing out juices.
got the juices. I've been hanging on to them, keeping them refrigerated for my girl.
Them, and I've not been drinking them, and so now is the time.
That's really orange.
I know.
It's an opaque juice.
Yeah, that makes me
It
uncomfortable.
makes me uncomfortable too. That's why I haven't drinking it yet.
These houses are 10 million and up.
Okay. Oh, normal. So we're going through a really modest neighborhood. Apparently the Guinness family used to own.
They're so cool. A neighborhood.
I don't know.
All the land, I guess. Is it the beer family?
Isn't it? I would assume it's the
Irish.
Yeah, the Irish beer.
Irish
But I
beer.
just think
Do they also do the book?
Yeah, I would assume so.
It was on my list to be part of the Guinness Book World Records,
you did?
and I got a manicure at this like OPI event once, the largest manicure event ever. Not this manicure. So yeah, man.
I just
I
want
haven't
to
even seen
break
that
the
episode,
Guinness
yes.
Book of World Record for wearing a robe the longest. How long? I don't
I feel
know
like
that
you've
anyone
already probably
had a
won
record.
that. I feel like the airport will be pretty boring, so we should probably just end this right now.
Yeah, I'm so sad to leave. Thank you,
know.
Vancouver, for treating us like your friends.
Where should we go next?
Montreal,
I do have on my bucket list for the year that I want to go to 3 international destinations. So already got one off in January. So I'm doing good. But yeah, let us know where else we should go in the comments below. No, I said 3.
She had 3.
Don't get mad at me.
We need to dream bigger. We need to say
It was a modest.
no, because when we go to one place, we'll go to 2 places.
Oh, I don't know. what that
We'll
means.
take the Eurostar
I can't
to
tell if
Paris.
that was
Oh, okay, that's fine. Okay, well, the episode's over. Bye.
For more Lunchy Break and more Canada, click that box over on the left to see part 1 of our Vancouver Lunchy Break, or click that box over on the right to see our breakdown of the best and worst dressed from the Grammys.